This female eclectus parrot has laid her eggs in a much sought-after tree hollow. High and dry, the hollow is safe from flooding and predators. It's the perfect spot for her precious clutch, the sulphur-crested cockatoo. Loud, assertive, and ready to lay, this pair want the hollow. But the eclectus, that is lucky to raise even one clutch a year, isn't easily intimidated. As the day heats up, temperatures inside the nest reach more than 30 degrees Celsius. She has no option but to leave to let things cool. It's a big gamble. If the cockatoos get inside, they will smash the eggs to make room for their own. But not here, and not today. Victory belongs to the eclectus. Such are the challenges of raising the next generation in the competitive environment of the rainforest.